She's such a massive.
We bugged out, guys. Sorry about that. Getting all back up to speed. We'll be good before the bell opens, don't worry. Just one more thing though, lose all our viewers. Exactly what I need. Good thing no one's too worried about pre-market. Cool. Just about good. Hey guys, welcome back. It's just, we got bugged out, sorry about that. Market's about to open, so. Welcome back. GTA Man, salute. We're on Twitch. to tally. Yeah, I did, Mike. Appreciate that. I haven't had time to respond to some emails. There's a few I got right back today. Apologies. Busy weekend. Captain's always busy. Why isn't ANY moving? There it is. Other materials going green right there. CVM, a little bit green. 1%. ORPH, okay. What is that about? Orphozyme breakout, holy fuck. This is one we were talking about Friday. A bunch of people were asking me about it. It's a nice start, nice pop right there. See, it was good in that green box, or Thursday I should say. It was good in that green box. No reason to doubt this stuff. Look at the RSI today. That's savage. MACD straight fucking up. Happy trading. So many good choices. Materials still green. My goodness, it's probably gonna be a big day. Blackberry not moving. Oh wait, it just popped a little bit. 1% green, Blackberry there. Remember, dollar's coming down hard. AMC, same thing. Still under 35. Yeah, dollar's coming down very quick. That should lead to some breakouts. Not. Okay, is a medic good day? I'm actually not trying to pull up a million charts today, only if whatever you want me to look at. Yeah, it's doing alright down there, ZOM, but we're kind of hoping for a hot bevy on it. We're looking for a further retracement on that. Wouldn't be such a bad thing. Scoop up a hot bevy. Yeah, cheers, market mafia motivations. That's right, we are covering crypto now. We've been trying to for a few weeks, but some people don't seem to realize. So I'm making it as clear as possible. There's good trades in crypto right now too. You don't have to just be all in BlackBerry or whatever. All in GameStop. Meanwhile, like half our crew's making money on crypto. Right? Some of the crews already like doubled their money on crypto over the past 2 weeks. Sure, your name looks familiar. There you go, Dave. 23% on AMP token. 1 day. River Ninja's excited about it. What's that, Colton? What are you getting in there? I see your messages right now. Just making sure we're all good. YouTube crashed on us. Yeah, you rode AMC from the beginning, Market Mafia. Badass. I think some people like yourself did. They wrote AMC up forever ago. CVM's blasting, by the way. CVM, green alert. Right now, don't lose sight of it. It's so ready to go. I'm not even gonna show you 5 other good day trades, cause this is one right here. This is all you need. Nice, Omar, blowing up on AQS. I think a bunch of people wrote up AMC from the beginning, from the early days, and it's been somewhat flat, right, for a couple months, so meanwhile, CVM's popping. Meanwhile, people caught the dip on this. They're already up 30%. Oh yeah, TKAT. I did want to look at that. There's a chance it just goes on a rip. TKAT might not go any lower. Ooh, that's about to trigger my alert. It's still premature though. But with the way crypto's behaving lately, I would not be surprised at all. Bust through here soon. It's not even worth waiting really if you don't have any and you like it. Might as well get a little bit. So yeah, those profits I took on AMC and got a little TKAT with that. Might get a little more. CVM, let's go. $9.77. We need some more 7s in the chat. Good luck. 7s for good luck, traders. Yeah, definitely, Fu Angel. We can cycle through whatever you want like that, but I'm gonna need your help with whatever you'd like to look at because I have a list of like 50. These are a bunch of the ones we have going on. All these stickers are swing trades, day trades, you name it. So I don't know which ones you guys want to look at really right now. We'll have to do a vote. So meanwhile, here's CVM, the one that I said everyone can win. Nice and fucking easy. There's nothing hard about this. Entering on a breakout, holding it for bigger targets. It's so beautiful. I have to point it out. It's just been going perfect for 2 weeks.
Bought 4,000 shares of Naked this morning.
Ooh, nice. Like how you're thinking. That gets a smile on my face. Yeah, that's good thinking, especially after it popped last week. Ooh, Naked right there. TKAT busting out, Naked busting out. Holy fuck. This is a big day. I'm about to place an order. Let's do this. Not fucking around. AMC profits going into TKAT right now. A little bit. Time. Feel better already. I'd rather be holding TKAT than AMC right now. J-Bake using TKAT and ANY. Not bored enough. Scoop some Naked right before the breakout. Let's go, my boy. Alexander says AMC. That's all he has to say. I was just fun. What about it, man? Are you holding it? Are you excited for it, Alexander? Are you quite confused about it? What do you want to know about AMC? Yeah, I agree, Bill Watson, for sure, man. I've never doubted Lucid long term. Lucid long term, very nice. That's probably just a tiny bear trap right there. It hardly even dropped through that trend line. So it's like, okay, it fell through the trend line, but not really. Yeah, I'm still very bullish long-term Lucid. ORPH mooning is up 11%. ORPH, CVM, TKAT. Even metamaterials 4% now. Day traders. So it's all about Green Day. The Dragon Mall. Oh, cool. Nokia Full Angel. We'll check that out for sure. Okay, Assassin as well. Yeah. Those are good suggestions. I got you. Okay. I'll do my best to look at every one of those you mentioned, Full Angel. Okay. Good. Oh yeah, Chili's was exploding too, the crypto. Yeah. Oh, look at all this hype in the chat. NAOV, you look at it. That's one of them, Nano Vibron. Ooh. Ooh, monkey banana, ooh, an AOV, squeeze. $2.70, look at all these double sevens. $2.77, NAOV, CVM, $9.77. You know what to do, Dragonmon, 7.77%. Jeez. Okay, Mara, well, that's a crypto-related company. Alright, we're doing a vote. I'm not even gonna go through deleting all those other ones. I'm just starting a new one. I have to clean it up later. I'm gonna start a brand new stock vote. She made good choices. So for August 23rd. August 23rd live vote. Should we just do them all? There's so many good choices. I'm not even gonna say them, just go check it out. I'm at a bunch. Oh, these are on the top of my head. Sesson and Sensonics. Two different ones there. SESN, SENS. That's pretty good for now. I know a bunch of people are holding A and Y now. YVB or YVR Liquid Media Group. Can't forget about that one. Oh, XCLA. People are still holding that. Sell left. Looks good. That's for the votes. Oh, we got going for like 30 minutes. And those are pretty much day trade swing trades. So we don't have to add our long-term holds on there. They're all still on track. Nothing's changed. I'll tell you if it changes. If something happens to HT, I'll let you know. But somebody just said it's blasting off already. You don't have to worry about our long-term ones. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. HT Bulls, where are HT Bulls at? My god. Battle Savers. Where the ladies have been loading up their pocketbooks with HT for weeks. It might be your day. It might be green before you know it. Watch that weekend members video. Red, 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 red. Bang! Green. Out of nowhere, one day. I'm telling you. Maybe it's today. It's gonna surprise you. Be way the fuck up here all of a sudden. This is why we were hoping that the Dixie would put in red this morning. It's right on track. It's helping our charts for now. They're probably going to start slowing down a little bit. Some of them. Some of them are just getting going. It definitely varies depending on the market cap, which sector, which technology sector we're looking at and everything. But for now, I think we're about halfway down. It's looking to come lower, hopefully later this afternoon. Maybe even tomorrow, if it bounces then tomorrow. But long-term still shaky. We're not totally sure long-term TKAT's mooning. Here's the long-term Dixie. So critical, such a crucial spot. And is underneath, so it, as of right now, it's indecisive. It broke through the resistance. It may be starting a big fucking uptrend here. Excuse my language, but it's true. I mean, a big, big one. Bigger than we've seen in 6 months, in a year or two. It may be starting a big uptrend, but for the moment, we're okay, and our day trades are doing well because it's kind of rolling down to that lower support area. Even if it goes higher later. That's part of why Bitcoin's popping over 50,000 there. Yeah, nice. So HT 7%. Great start to the day. Other material 6%. TKAT 8%. TKAT just popped after I bought it, guys. Alert triggered. Pop. 8% TKAT. I still hope it goes lower. We'll see. Could go either way from here. If it's a bear trap or not, we don't know yet. But it's getting attractive. The lower it goes, it's getting more and more attractive. AJ Bake, HOFE's on the vote. Stock vote for today. So ORPH still at 5%, but it does look like with that opening, it's perhaps a bit of a slower push here. I don't think it's gonna go up instantly on Orphazyme, but that was a breakout trigger anyway. That's a breakout signal out of our green box, green bullish box. Very nice. CVM still blasting. It hit 10, just about. 998 or something, 995. CVM almost popped $10 right there. Told you I was a good one. That's easy trade, anyone can win. It's still not too late. You're still getting in early on it. Going for like 40% targets right here on a breakout over 10. Can go much higher next month, whatever, 100%. It's just such an easy uptrend. The breakout's almost inevitable here at this point. Just waiting for that alert to trigger. Pennies away from it, so it makes sense to be entering it down here while you have time before it pops over 10, but don't wait till the alert goes off, then enter. Then it'll be moving up real quick already. You have the foresight to enter beforehand and then ride it up. It never looked bad for a second the whole morning. So just like that. Nice bounce. Yeah, essentially Fu Angel. Nice question there about the dollar chart being kind of in competition with crypto, institutions and governments propping it up. Well, here's the wild part is crypto. Before last year, right? Like Bitcoin, for example. Before all this last year, huge fucking uptrend. Institutions weren't involved back here. No one was talking about that. There was no announcements of like Tesla buying Bitcoin, Michael Saylor, MicroStrategies and stuff. None of that happened until over here when it started mooning already. Back here is just speculation that like, oh, maybe one day the institutions will hop on board Bitcoin. It's so fucking funny. I'm gonna take a quick intermission. I got a 3-minute intermission here, but I'm gonna leave you on a funny kind of thought. Big concept. I think we'll take it easy today a little bit. Here's the mind-blowing part. When you think about AMC, and AMC's been going up bullishly, right? Everyone's talking about the institutions like potentially closing their shorts. It's all this speculation about what the institutions are gonna do on AMC. Now AMC's kind of coming down, right? Well, back here is almost like the opposite. Instead of speculation about the bearish institutions, there's a lot of speculation about bullish institutions here. Like maybe one day there'll be some long institutional buy orders. And we saw that. No speculation. They're in, they're holding. It might keep going because of that over the long term. Institutions aren't gonna sell their crypto for nothing because they're not in it for a quick buck, they're in it for the big haul. They're not just trying to scalp a quick 50%, they're trying to hold it for 10 years, and I suggest you think about doing the same. When we get back, I'll show you a couple other altcoins that I'm holding right now. This is what I'm trading right now, for the most part. I've lightened my stock load, and I've increased the weight of my bags of my altcoins. I'm loading up the treasure chest on my altcoins, so I can't wait to tell you more about that. You gotta stay flexible and adapting to the times and the market cycles. That's where the money is right now. So why would you ignore it? There's there's no reason to avoid it or ignore the altcoin market when that's where all the money's at for the last whole month. Issue with the Batman, I'm using a few different ones. I have some random sign-up links for you on those, but if you go to the crypto section on Discord here, click the pins. Here's the exchanges I'm using. Chalupa, Gemini, Binance US, Coin Exchange, CoinEx. Those are good ones to get started with. Gemini and Binance US, pretty straightforward. I don't recommend Coinbase because it's similar to fucking Robinhood, like Vlad Power. It's kind of like Vlad Power on Coinbase. So when Bitcoin's pumping, Coinbase shuts down. Like when Bitcoin popped 50,000, it probably like shut down for an hour. You know, every time you go place your trade on Coinbase, the website's crashed. So be careful of that shit. Cool, let's give these a few minutes. Meta materials getting spicy there. Dollar's hitting the support. Technically it's support on the dollar right here for now. It's pink moving average. So that's about our complete retracement. We'll see how that goes. Give it a few. And go ahead and throw your vote out there on the votes if you're interested in checking out any of these charts. Whole bunch of good ones. Day trades, swing trades. We can always look at our long-term holds as well. Seems like they're going pretty well this morning. Like KHTs are green. I know Ride bounced up to 5 last week. I saw that. AHT still ripping. Check Ride. Yup, 540. Yup. That's not fucking around with 475 anymore, is it? Alright friends, quick breath of fresh air, send a trading break. It's been a long morning, long weekend for the captain. I'm gonna leave up meta materials. Left. It's pretty tempting to put crypto on the right, but let's do CVM so you don't forget. CVM's getting real close to a pop. Make that very clear. So meta material target's like 420 for now. 4 to 420. %, CVM, you're going, it's pretty similar actually, you're going for like 35%, 40%. Pretty juicy. Elite fucking trading. This is the most elite trading show you'll ever find. Happy trading. Good luck. Just a short break here. Not even 5 minutes. Oh yeah, and smash those thumbs up while you're at it. Alright, group. Great stuff. Welcome back. I'm Chain Green. Let's go. What makes us elite? Why are we elite traders? Because we trade. Because we adapt to the markets every day on the tip of the dime. You're not gonna make it that far just holding AMC all year. Sorry to say. I do like the thumbnail, Jaybert. People are enjoying Twitch too. They said the quality is good. Better quality over on Twitch, I guess. Oh yeah, banks are terrified of crypto. If we end up, oh my goodness, they're scared as anything. They're more scared than the hedgies, shorties. Yeah, it's so funny. Alright, thanks a lot for supporting the chat about the AMC stuff. That makes me feel so much better. It's like a weight off the captain's shoulders. I have to stare at AMC all day. I'd rather even watch GameStop for that matter. GameStop has more potential upside at the moment. Earnings coming up August 26th, GME. How's that? Yeah, we got ways to go on GME still, but I think there's more potential. For the bulls, short-term target 77% on GameStop. Midterm 200%, $500 target. Long-term pending a breakout. No confirmation yet. It's doing okay. Has a chance. It's RSI. Maybe it really would bounce from the very bottom of the RSI there. This is on the daily chart. Actually, that might be popping through right now. This is on the daily though, so like I was saying last week, we needed a couple more days. We need to make sure it stays up here today. That kind of thing. It can't just go right back down, then it'd be in trouble. It's a bit close for comfort there. Oh, hey, Father, you're in AQST as well. Somebody else mentioned that this morning. Okay, cool. Yeah, AQST is a nice looking one right now. You guys are onto something with that. Hey, Todd Dixie. Colton. Probably Colton. You never know who might be watching. $3.77. We got dub sevens again. The double sevens are everywhere on these charts this morning. You know what that means? We got some luck. But still the dollar. You don't want to be too risky with that dollar action. Let's check on the S&P 500 real quick. Pulse check. It's probably chalking around. Big bounce, S&P 500. It's a breakout there today, but it doesn't mean anything. We'll see. It's not an all-time high right there. Still, it's hard to believe, but it's still in a downtrend. We don't know yet. We don't know how wild it's looking to go. How big of a blow off top will this really be? No one knows. Plus, there's so much crap going on in the news with the government stuff. Big shifts in the markets. That makes me wonder about Tesla, because Tesla was coming down last week. Wonder if that's still in a big downtrend or not. A big bounce on it right there. Holy shit. It's right at our resistance. This is Tesla. Oh, Sundial. Don't get me started on Sundial, Mike, for real. Dave had a dream about AMC. That means it's gonna skyrocket. Nice sevens on Twitch. I have no idea who's talking about VLDR. Anyone in the chat? VLDR? It's up 14%. Hey Kelly, appreciate that. You missed me on Friday. That's nice to hear. Friday 420 Doc Airline. It probably was a scam, right? Yeah, it's wild on Tesla here because we don't have confirmation yet. It's still a downtrend. That's resistance. Even with that huge bounce. Could just come straight down from there later. It was him, Cam. Fucking awesome, dude. Doesn't even know what ticker we're talking about. He's making money on it. Fu Angel was asking if anyone else was in VLDR. It's up 14%. Okay, you got one going. You got a live catch, VVOS. Whoa, let's go. Oh, nice, dude. You're in at 550, guys. You're in at 550. I hope you told the other day traders on Discord about this one. It's $6.77, dub sevens. He did. Very good. Shout out to the Discord. Morning traders, day traders. DVOS. So that line, so we got in right at the bottom, right before the day started. That's why I like to do the pre-market show. I hope everyone's here. Is it early? Bright and early tomorrow morning for the pre-market, because you're missing out on shit like this every day. If you tune in like 30 minutes later, an hour later, you already missed it. Clearly Cam, he was listening about watching the pre-market prices Monday morning. He must have been watching it go green pre-market. You saw the breakout trend line. We got a new playlist going. It's that kind of a day. New wins in that sale, fresh wins in the sale, fresh songs. Yeah, you're starting to put some rules on your day trades. It's a good idea, bro. Yeah, that was a nice reaction off the earnings too. The earnings market below. That's exactly where it started putting in a nice new uptrend. Just took a new week. It just took another day or two. I would keep holding a bunch of these. I won't give up on these. Meta materials still going. Keeps cruising penny by penny. Just one big green candle. Chunk, chunk, chunk. Higher and higher. That's what we were expecting. That's what we were looking for. See? It's perfect. Wait and see a breakout there. Potentially, bang. If not, some more sideways for the afternoon. Maybe later, power hour tomorrow. See that bigger push. Point is, it's not at that bottom anymore. You already missed that golden entry spot right there. Last week, didn't have that much time, only a day or two. Where's Steve Irwin when you need him? This must be halted on VEOS, not moving. Here's the
Noise mate, noise mate, noise, noise, noise mate.
Here's the weekly green on VVOS. That's why Cam's saying noise. That's a nice weekly candle get going for Monday. Bro, it's probably at least going up here. $8 over 8. So he's at 550 again. 50% in one day. Jeez, 30-minute candle right there. Massive breakout. Yeah, so you're looking at $8 area, man. It's going again 7. It's unpaused, unhalted. I would take some profits around 8 for the short-term side. Mid-term, maybe next few weeks. Maybe if you get lucky, it'll happen today and just go right up there. You know how it works. You know how to trade a pump. He's already in good profit, so it's nothing to worry about. You can even start raising up a stop loss if you want to. You can put a nice stop loss at like 597, just under 6 there for now. So at least you'll be locked in profits from 550 to 6. And then given some time, maybe in an hour, if it's up here, you put another stop loss around 7. Okay, so naked looks good here. What naked's doing, these smaller, I almost call them coins. Sundial, 71 cents.
Bloody noise, mate. This stuff is noise, mate. Did you hear it's noise, mate? Let's push the boat out.
I think we left for the island. I think we left for Treasure Island on Thursday. I'm pretty sure anyone who was on the boat Thursday afternoon is cruising with us to Treasure Island. Whoever stayed on the
First day on Twitch. Let's fucking go. Much love, crew, and thank you for the birthday love. Great live chats on Friday and Saturday. Thanks for all you do, Denwo.
Hell yeah. I'm glad you're enjoying it over there, J-Big. Are the, did your 7s come through? Good? So, small announcement while we're on the subject. Thanks a lot, man. Cheers. Congratulations, you already are well aware, but for everyone else, J-Big's gonna be our official Twitch moderator over there on Twitch from now on. I hope you all understand why. Because he's the right man for the job. Just want everyone else to know, make it official. Hey Dolly. Sure, I can take a quick peek at that for you. But we have a whole bunch of stuff going on right now that's popped again. Cam's probably losing his mind right now. Another day of big green, Cam. You deserve it. Happy for you. How are you gonna sleep when that's going on? How? Okay, with a stop loss, I guess that's the only way, yeah. With a stop loss. Okay, let's give it some more time then. Let's look at it in a little bit. Nah, Phase, I got you, NAOV, sure. 1 second. Okay. We got that up here. So NAOV. Hey, we got a brand new member. Very cool. Eric. Welcome aboard, Eric. Glad to have you. What? Oh my goodness, could it be? No way. Somebody's coming in for landing. Make room. Clear for landing. It's Vader Star. Hey, good to see you, bro. Hope you're doing well. He's gotta make landing for his spaceship after he blasted the charts. He was busy zooming in, blasting the SPY. Come on home, bud. We just gotta clear away with our treasure. Make it swabby, get to swabbing. Swab all the coins off the deck. Alright, so we had some good suggestions. Back on the track. Forget. And IMPX for DOGE. Maybe we'll find something new. Doesn't look like it. This one's rough. Hey, doggy, you know I wouldn't steer you wrong. This is in trouble. This is a big mean downtrend. And I wouldn't mess with that. Not until it gets back over $1. It better hold $1 there, or else there's no sign of an uptrend. You just have a breakdown below the support again. So if this was support, it's been broken. It's not really a bear trap yet. I don't like that one. Weekly indicators looking kind of sketchy, and the dailies are turning red there. Be careful with that one. INPX. NAOV looked a lot better 5 minutes, 30 minutes ago, but that's okay. I think we should give it some more time, so I still wouldn't give up on this one. I would just buckle down personally. Get ready to hold it another week, 2 weeks. Some sideways perhaps throughout the week. One of these support lines is gonna bounce something big. I don't know if it's gonna hold this channel. Bear trap right there is too early on the movement. Nothing's really changed there. Starting to roll over, but it already has been coming down for a while, so we're waiting for a bounce spot on the short term, really. So we're not even looking at the longer term on this, really, at the moment. We're looking for that short term bounce sooner or later here. And we just don't really don't want to question it too much. We don't want to doubt it too much that a bounce will come here. Like maybe it's not. So I'm on the 1 hour chart now. So maybe that bounce happens when this pink moving average trends upwards and connects. When both of these reach and connect with each other, maybe that's where we'll see it in a week or two, whatever. But like, you don't really want to doubt it, being that the dollar's getting slammed right now. We're still right on track for a bunch more green coming through. Metamaterial's still cruising though. Like, look at this thing. This is what we're looking for on those other ones, so you might second guess that it's gonna break out, exit it because you're impatient, and then all of a sudden it blasts off. Be careful. I'm seeing a lot of that right now. Catch up with the chat for a minute. Just talking for a while. Well, that's really cool, you dig it. Let me know, man. It's your choice, so if you see somebody cool on Twitch that you want to bring on board the crew, let me know. I'll let you decide who. A10. Some of the names, the members' names are different on Discord too. Hey, Powderhound, Orange. Oh, sure. Sessin. Yeah, that dice roll. Yeah, we should check on that. It's looking pretty decent. It doesn't look bad at all. I wouldn't doubt it. Holy fuck. It looks pretty good. Look at the RSI. It actually looks pretty hot. It is Sessin, that dice roll crazy one that people are freaking out about, losing their minds because it went down a little bit. This is what I'm talking about. You don't really want to doubt it just because it was red on Friday and then you sell it and bang, it's fucking up there tomorrow. It's like, what happened? Seeing a lot of bounces right now. As long as it's in the purple box, it's on track here. Has been the entire time. Now it's putting in a nice bounce there. Note the MACD has always been green. This has not changed. Like, the indicators have never changed here. It's just been straight up green the whole time. So I don't even care what that little price action is doing down there. I trust this indicator. This indicator is bullish as fuck. 2 hour, 4 hour hasn't even began. And then of course the RSI is gonna trend up from there. 1 hour. 30 minute. That's pretty big move. $15-minute is that dice roll. It's not so much a dice roll when you have all those puzzle pieces added up together. That's a lot of bullish signals. There you go. Sesame. Irish Sky Reward. Speaking of that name, SENS. This was like an intro. Holy shit, it's going. This was like an interesting last week. I posted this on Discord too. This shit was popping Thursday, Friday. Looks like it's just getting going. Pretty nice target here on Sensionics, 40%. What more do you need? If you can't make money on all the charts I showed today, you shouldn't be trading. I'm sorry. You're not meant to be trading if you can't make money on all these fucking charts, because it's ridiculous amounts of bullish charts that are popping. And there always is, so it just tells me, if you're not, it tells me that you're struggling to adapt. You're struggling to change your mindset. Way too happy for what I'm trying to say. Pretty serious about that. Talking about how savages pop on this breakout on metamaterials all day, and it's only gone straight up. So it's like, I don't know what more to say about it. How more easy can I make it, guys? I can't like press the buttons for you. Oh, and why I can? Oh shit. Sounds like it's getting spicy again. That didn't take long. Slow down for like 30 minutes. See more green. Cam, alright, let's talk about that stop loss before you go. Nice, yeah. Looks like it's gonna take some more time on the day because it's coming down exactly off our resistance line right there. But it looks beautiful from that dip back there. It's so nice. Just perfect looking patterns there. Short term breakout on the morning, Monday morning. Let's fucking go. Short term, bullish, short term, midterm, long term. It's really more about this 1 hour time frame. Look at the 1 hour MACD. Go way up here. So give him some more time. AMY looks great. And a bunch of people are indeed holding it. Metamaterial is still fucking going. I just have like 12% on the morning right there. So anyone could have made that 12% with the right. If you just gotta be able to pull the trigger. It's hard, but you're gonna get better and better at it. The more you see stuff like this, the more trades that you do play around with that are moving quick like this is day trade type scalps, whatnot. You get more comfortable just throwing an order in there. Then if it's going down, you just exit. Like, you get better and better. So if you're not comfortable with that yet, it's okay, don't worry. You're seeing how it's done real time. You're seeing how we're doing it, how the pros are doing it. when it's going good, when it's going bad, when it makes sense to enter, when it makes sense to take profit, so you'll get there. That's how Cam's figuring it all out on his own overnight. When we're all asleep, he's over there in New Zealand charting like Denwo. Yeah, so VVOS, okay, it's actually consolidating up here now, so you're not really gonna be able to do much with a stop loss right now on this. If you're trying to go to bed. Cause that's fun. That's like my sound effects, really. Hey, yo, you riding up a day trade? CLSK? Check it out in just a second for you. I wanted to help Cam with a stop loss here before he goes to bed, but that's tough now. It's at an awkward spot there because it's not that much higher than where you entered. So if you want to be safe, you know, put it in profits. Hey, maybe like 577. Just slightly up in profits just to make sure it doesn't go against you, so you don't wake up to it being red potentially if you're getting exhausted, whatever. But hope that holds above that $6 area. Don't do it at like $5.99. But yeah, it may hit your entry, your 550 entry, dip right below there, and then continue upward. So either way, you're risking getting stopped out here. So you might as well put it in profits above your entry and then go to bed. So you're at least winning the trade anyway. And then see what happens in the morning. Maybe it'll pop, so it might not hit your stop loss, and then just keep cruising onwards and upwards like we're doing. Alright, ORPH starting to bounce, starting to put in green from the trend line. Oh, for real, Vitaly? Session's now up 11% as well. Very cool. Alright, we're seeing a lot more green come through. CVM, look at that. Major green candle getting started. After it already popped in the morning. Okay, a whole bunch of good choices. We're gonna check the vote soon. NAOV cooling down though. It's gone too high too fast, so this one's kind of chilling out for now. Just so you know, I wouldn't give up on it completely, but if you're still holding nano vibronics here, I'm kind of looking at this $2 support area, and then a big bounce or an uptrend from there. That's a risk here right now. 265 down towards 2 on nano vibronics. It's just so choppy, so volatile right here. This one is becoming more of a mid-term, long-term trade now. The day trade targets have been getting crushed up there already. But that's okay. Yeah, nice. SN is indeed still popping down here, guys. We might have to bring that closer on the front of the radar. I think we're gonna leave that one up. I'm gonna exit out of GameStop and leave up Sessin instead, because I don't know, maybe GameStop will have like a 5-10% day, but these other ones, Sessin's already up there. It's already 13%, guys. Very clear breakout there on the morning. So if that's just getting started, that could be like a 50%, 70% green day on that thing. Here's the resistance. That's the target right now up there. Buyer alert. So that's not really fucking around right now. Green alert. That's amazing. Congratulations on that. You started with $4,000. Started with $4,000. She was able to pay for a $27,000 lease. And she has a couple G's left to trade for fun. Nice job. That's really good. Impressed. I didn't know you made that much progress, Bean. You're an OG. Never told me that. Hey, native. It's fun hanging out with you Saturday night, bro. Have a great night, Cameron, man. Sweet dreams. Green dreams. You're gonna wake up with a green fucking beard. Very cool, very cool. I like where it's going. Metamaterial's starting to pop the resistance. I wonder if it'll pop that resistance, keep going on metamaterials today too. I'm gonna put an alert on it. If it goes over there, it might start going very quick. It already is going straight up. What am I saying? It's already up 12% in an hour. It's already going straight fucking up. Yeah, so Adventure GovX, take a peek. Oh yeah, Yoheezy, CLSK GovX. Alright, cool. Keeping the captain busy this morning. I like that. You're gonna go have a Denwo party on the rooftop deck, dude. At your new house. Looking awesome. You'd have done nothing but AMC if you didn't listen to the crew. Amazing. That's why you're still here. Cheers to Bean. It's exactly what I'm talking about. Like the people who weren't able to adapt and be flexible and look at these other fucking hot trades. They're struggling right now. They're getting wrecked. They're back at work. Lawn boy's back mowing the lawn because he's still holding AMC. He didn't take profit, so I literally don't think there's like a single OG stock pirate here who wrote up AMC who didn't take profits. I'm pretty sure like every single person took some big green on AMC at the top when we were months ago, so it's fucking amazing. Let's go. They're overboard. They're already in the water. Arrgh. I'm telling you, like, they're way gone by now. Those people fell overboard a month or two ago. It's unfortunate, but it's true. Hey, Steve Herbert, Craigie, there he is. Nice. Yeah, because they're writing it down. I'm gonna say it again too. I'm gonna fire some fucking shots. Angel requested extra salt today. Shout out to Foo Angel, our official fucking pirate wench. I almost forgot. She's happy to call herself a pirate wench from now on. Amazing. Kelsey, Foo Angel, the pirate wenches. Great stuff. I'm gonna fire off a couple of shots because she requested some extra salt on her food today, on her green, on her cabbage. I want to see their positions. Let me see those AMC big holders, whatever, those YouTubers, those streamers that are talking about it every fucking day. Spreading rumors, spreading false hope. Let's see their position. I bet they're in the red on their AMC. because they bought it the whole fucking way up, the very top. They're probably taking a big hit on their AMC hold because they bought it at like $77, so they raised their cost average the whole way up. It's not like they just entered once at $5 like us. I bet they're either in the red or they already sold it. They're not gonna tell their viewers that. Let's see their positions. I'm calling them out. Like, I want proof that they're holding AMC, or else I don't even believe that they're even holding it. I think they're just trying to sell commercials to clueless traders. Shots fired. What's up? You can't say that. No one can say that about the captain, because I show you guys my 20x, 25x profits that I took on my AMC, and I told you I was taking profits on it. I would never like hide that from you. So let's see their fucking positions. If they're all about AMC and want everyone else to be so bullish on it, how much are they really holding nowadays? Or did they just sell it all and give up on it behind the scenes without telling anyone? I don't trust it at all. I don't trust what they say unless they prove it. There's no reason they shouldn't show it off if they're so bullish on it. If I was that bullish on it, I'd be like, hey guys, look, I'm holding all this AMC right now. But I'm not that bullish on it, so I'm not holding it, so I have nothing to show like it. So if they're that bullish on it, they should have something to show off, but they're not showing it off. Why? Why aren't they showing off their positions on AMC? Because they either don't have it, or it's in the red. If one of those guys was up like $1 million on his AMC trade, he wouldn't be showing it to everyone. But they're not. They're just pretending. It's all an act. They're streamers who started trading, not traders who started streaming. I post a trade this morning. I trade all the fucking time on the show. I don't even plan to half the time. Some of the charts look so hot I can't resist metamaterials, guys. I must have said that word like 50 times already today. Just metamaterial. This popping the whole morning. 14%. CVM's beautiful. It's like anyone can win this. Metamaterial's a little bit more volatile. It's moving quicker, but it's kind of like that. It's such a nice breakout here. Bounce. It's almost like anyone can get in on that breakout pretty easily down here and feel okay about it. Even if you miss a very bounce there, 15% already, but not many ways you can fuck that one up. As long as you have a little bit of patience, you can't really fuck this one up too bad. I would just recommend having a stop loss, whatever you're comfortable with. If you don't want to lose more than 5%, put a stop loss down 5%. If you're worried about losing 10%, put it down 10%. Yeah, no, it's not too late on metamaterial. That's why I have an alert here. It's about to pop this breakout alert. It's breaking out of the resistance right now. So it already bounced like crazy. Major epic bounce right there, 14%. Now it's looking to break out and go higher. trying to be so clear. It's like, I wish when I started trading there was somebody like the captain who showed fucking amazing green charts like this every day. It's like too easy. I hope you guys are crushing this shit. I see other content out there. Not only do they fuck up their trades all the time, not only do they show horrible trades and investments and hype and all that shit, they might crush one trade every like 3 months and then like, oh my god, we crushed like 10% green on Bitcoin, wow. Like, we do that shit every fucking day here. I'm gonna go make some more coffee. Stay tuned. It's gonna be an epic day. There's adrenaline speaking. I'm like so fucking pumped what's going on in the charts right now. It's pretty serious business right now. I'm trying to help everyone make money for entertainment only. So I'm saying what needs to be said to make it clear. Like, it doesn't get easier than this. Breakout metamaterials going for 20+% on the day, end of week. Short term, no time at all. Before you even know it, it'll be up there. Just put a little stop loss and you'll be all set. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Green candle squeezy. This stock squeeze right here. Stock squeeze, metamaterials. Gonna squeeze fucking 50% in one day. That's a squeeze when you're a trader. CVM hasn't broke out yet, so it's taking a little longer for it to play out, you know? We don't have that breakout alert on CVM, it's just trying to break out still. Needs a little bit more time, so it's not going straight up right now. This is the real deal. Traders, all kinds, not bag holders, no moon boys, people who actually want to progress. Okay, CLSK, cool, easy capture. Thanks, man. $3.77, AQST, there's 7s everywhere. We need some more 7s in the chat. Pronto. Look at all this green after we saw all those magic 7s earlier. Oh my goodness. What a day. What a morning. We haven't even really talked about crypto yet. A little bit. I haven't even showed you some of those breakouts. Holy shit. Oh, I'll turn it up for you, Doc. It's 5-minute intermission. I'm making another round of coffee. We gotta reload our coffee cups. All those hot bevies last week. Remember all those coffee cups we drew on our chart last week? Holy shit. Now it's major green. Get them while they're hot. What a great way to start the morning. Welcome back, Trader. Shout out to Twitch viewers. Hey, Becky. Hope you're having a beautiful morning. Oh, no, NVIDIA exploded today, huh? Well, NVIDIA is parabolic, at least it was in the past. Sensionics, getting that cabbage. Sonic holders, let's check the vote. Okay. Kind of scattered. CVM, TKAT, water. You're holding NVIDIA, you don't want to sell it? Now I have to look. Everyone greedy pirate! Just playing. Oh, nice. You must be... Okay, so... You're up on calls, aren't you? 350%. Sick. Alright. There you go. Now we're talking. Becky, congratulations. She's up 350% today on NVIDIA. Nice green pop. Yeah, that's a big move for NVIDIA. Hold it longer. I don't think it's done. Not with how the S&P's looking right now. I just should hold it for tomorrow, for the end of the week, whatever. It's pretty fucking high where it is right now. But shows the S&P. Shows this. It might be is it a new all-time high? Maybe. Oh my goodness, it's a new all-time high again. So, happy to hear you took your initial investment out of it. Yeah, I wouldn't buy it up here. You don't want to enter NVIDIA up here, but if she's holding calls, probably go a bit higher by the end of the week there. Another 5-10%, whatever. Then you could take your profits and be real happy. Get a nice 500% out of it or something. All that hard work's paying off, Becky. She's gonna be an options pro next year. Very cool. Yohizi bro is riding this one up. It looks like you have your day trading target right there. Your morning target is hit. So depending on how long you're looking to hold this, Yohizi, this is where you would get out on the morning pump. If you're just trying to ride the breakout up, take some nice profits on the morning, you got it. I wouldn't count on that breaking out just yet, but it might. Panic in crypto. Bitcoin's down 1%. Oh shit. Don't worry. That's funny. It never even hit 51. It's looking to go higher than this. It is absolutely looking to go higher. This is a stop hunt under 50,000 on Bitcoin right here. 49,800. Only if it closes the daily candle under there would it be in trouble, but it's far from it. This is the daily candle, very green. Still breaking out, so we're waiting for this daily candle to close above 50 basically in 9 hours. Still has 9 hours to fuck around this area. Here's your weekly candle. Might be a bullish engulfing candle close on top of the resistance. It may end up consolidating here and then blasting off. We're not sure yet on that. But for short term, it's not even panic worthy at that point. Not until the daily candle closes in 9 hours there. That's just premature selling. People are selling it thinking it's gonna go down now, and they're wrong. They're wrong back here. They're wrong back here. Ever since 29,000 breakout, epic crypto bounce, we're targeting over 50. And I'm not saying 50,200. I'm saying 52,000, 55,000. That's the resistance. That's where it's trying to go, not 50,200. It's really trying to get higher there first, and then it may come down harder. You don't fuck with crypto, crypto fucks with you. Session's still putting in nice green. I'm gonna grab my coffee real quick, 1 second, before I forget about it. We even have our Monday muffins. PFE Calls? What is that? We've never charted that. Cool, big vector acquisition. That's Rocket Labs. Oh, Pfizer, really? We have so many better choices, though. You're buying it in a parabolic uptrend. Be careful with that. I don't like that. It's too parabolic. Weekly RSI is way high. I really would recommend against that one, Becky. There are way better choices than that. You're better off going long on A and Y, or like... There's a whole bunch of better choices than that, honestly. Were you holding them before the pump though, or did you just get in? Thanks, George. Micken says that FDA approved their vaccinations. Alright, well if you got it a few months ago, it's fine. Hey Firefly. Yeah, TKAT, someone said it went back down, but it's fine, because TKAT's kind of interesting here. I'll show you a little more about it, particularly if you missed it earlier, because there's a somewhat of a falling wedge here in blue. We don't know how valid it is, but it's something for now. So either it's about to break out and do something big here, or hot bevy, so I'm not really sure yet, so, but it is bouncing there for now. If the dollar goes straight up, I would expect it to come lower, but it's kind of trending alongside crypto, so with crypto going up, this may start going up soon too. I wasn't gonna wait too long and find out, tell you that much. I already started making my entries on TKAT. You have major bullish divergence as well. All these points. There's 3 of them right there and then a 4th. Here's the bullish divergence, these 3 points. 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth is on a 4-hour chart. Favorite time frame for swing trading. So there's bullish divergence coming through. TKAT here, getting close to the end of that falling wedge, pending a breakout any day. It's not at the perfect signal to be like going all in YOLO 420 whatever, but it's at a nice entry accumulation. Hey Cuddle Squid, I'm actually very bullish on ICP. ICP's an altcoin that's looking to potentially play out to almost a Bart Simpson kind of a pattern. What the heck's a Bart Simpson is basically when it goes straight down, chops around, and then straight back the other way. Like the shape of his head, you know. It may play out like that effectively, not perfectly, but close enough where it could be a pretty savage uptrend like that in the future. Now, it actually started breaking out here. When I zoom in, it gets even more fascinating because the price action on the short term here. We have a little channel going on, but not only that, it broke from the resistance, so we have a breakout here. I'll clean it up even more. Alright. Well, first of all, note all the confluence here. Jeez. Get all those trend lines coinciding right there in that box. It's like 10 trend lines intersecting. Okay, Cuddle Squid, you got in at 69. Sounds good. I'm basically looking at anything under 70 for an entry. This is why for long term. Hey, William Swede. What's going on, my friend? It's not Adele, but our robot assistant sings like Adele. Oh, Firefly! Coming to the dark side! She sold some AMC for TKAT. Badass. I don't even need to look at what AMC is doing to know that that's a good idea. Cause this is what I meant from the very beginning. I'm gonna get back to ICP in a second, but from the very beginning of saying, I would say it over and over again, like, it's not about what you're holding right now necessarily. Like, if you're heavy on AMC, it's not even really about your AMC position. It's about all these other opportunities. Like, do you really want to pass those up or no? Firefly doesn't want to pass them up. Cool, catch you later, video. So continuing with ICP, because you probably want to know about this before it does anything crazy here, because it's getting very close to doing something crazy. It's in this tight box consolidation. So this is one of our altcoins that the crypto crew's been trading, if you don't know. And it's interesting because we were watching it, we were charting it back here before it broke out. A couple weeks ago, we saw it break out and it was like, alright, step number one, we got the breakout, that's good. It came back down, test support level of the breakout of the green trend line from way back last year. Successful retest. It triggered our entry alert right at the bottom. I had an alert down here that triggered. That was our entry signal, and ever since there it's been trending up. It's already gone up a lot from that entry. 15% just the other day. So some people bought the entry just for a scalp or whatever, but I'm looking at this as a long-term hold. Pretty much higher targets in the future. It really has a lot of potential. Built up pressure. Bulls are accumulating for the last 6 months. It's looking to go 9x, 10x, or higher. Or higher. Long term, and the indicators are fucking stupid. Excuse my language, but look at this look at this RSI on the daily chart. Have you seen it? That does not look like what AMC looks like on the daily RSI, okay? Let's see. From side by side. This is the same time frame. It is like the past year on both of these charts. ICP bullish as fuck all year long on this indicator. AMC had already popped, it already dropped, it's chopping around all over the place. Pretty different. This is kind of what I'm looking at on it actually. Like that. One more step down to very oversold territory. And then a big bounce, 2022, whatnot, next year. We don't really have a good pop here. Look at this. Be careful, AMC bulls. Look at that. That's actually a pretty hard downtrend on that trend line on green. Matching up with that projection. That's why we don't have our long-term signals yet. Let's see above there. Hasn't done it. Let's compare the weeklies. I don't even know if there even is a weekly on ICP. It's so new. Nope. Well, here's your weekly on ICP. You think you're late on entering the altcoin markets, my friend? This shit doesn't even have an RSI on the weekly chart. This is it. So new to markets. You're early. So again, that's this chart here. Getting very spicy, very hot. I'm expecting a blast off any day. Some of them have already done it. Some of you crushed Cardano, etc. Looks like the stock stock fears are gone, so time to really rock. Fucking annihilating this Cardano breakout. That's where I would be taking some profits around $3. This was our target area for the short term on Cardano. All-time high, $3 area. Nice. Blue Angel icon's up 36% from last week. So actually, that one I haven't accumulated yet. I wouldn't mind if that didn't blast off yet. I was kind of looking at it, but it's not your best trade either, per se. I'm sure you all understand by now, crypto crew, about the pump on Cardano here. We're just gonna be, look, it has to be done. We're gonna be incorporating crypto charts into our live stream every day. It's two good trades to pass up. It can't be ignored. got in when we talked about it earlier. She's already seeing nice green. Nice. Look at that uptrend. The blue trend line. Too easy. Alright, see you tomorrow. I guess we're done. I mean, well, trading's supposed to be hard. Are you seeing those candles? What is there to doubt? Like, it's not going down. Clearly, it's going up there. Straight fucking up. There's just no red at all. There's nothing to question about that at all. I wouldn't be worried about that one little bit if I was holding that. Which I'm not, because I made my entries on other ones instead. Even though this one looked quite nice. A few 100% to that local target. We're looking for an all-time high on Icon, 500%. Okay. You see what's trying to happen here? 15x. We can't ignore this. You need to know. ICX might go 10x, 15x here. And Fu Angel's gonna be laughing her way to the bank. I don't want other people to miss out on it. She already is. She's already up 35%. Nah, I haven't been watching VeChain that closely and glad you asked. Let's just not forget about Icon though in the future. Close to $15 target. It's ridiculous. It's at $1.50. You're going for $15. I'm not joking. That's the target. Like, I'm not fucking around. It's trying to go to $15, $20 next year. That could be a big win for some of you. Good luck. Let's keep a watch on. Turn that step 7%. VeChain's been a big win lately as well. It already crushed our first target at 14 cents. So that's why it's been cooling off. It hit the first target area there. People are definitely taking profits. It's an interesting area where it looks pretty darn bullish. It looks like it's probably gonna keep going higher here, but not quite through that last resistance spot yet. The blue line above. That's where it'll pop and go higher. 20 cent area, next target, really. But it's been pretty nice bounce. Very nice bounce, especially where you got in. It's already well over 100% on that entry. The entry of the chart that we posted on Discord weeks ago. So sorry AMC holders, but like, you guys have been holding AMC, crossing your fingers. Meanwhile, the crypto crew got in on VeChain last month under 10 cents. It was like 8 cents when I posted this, 8-9 cents.
No questions, just appreciating the podcast, sir. Had a blast on free in sunset. I'm running my donut. House of Tigers on Discord, Mr. Nimbus on YouTube, so now I get the confusion rule. I felt imposter syndrome, but not after this weekend. THXD Woe and crew.
That's an interesting way to phrase it, imposter syndrome. Thanks so much, Mr. Nimbus, bro. And cheers to